Hello, friend. Do you want to make big money at affiliate marketing in your horror business? Are you willing to learn some new skills in order to succeed in your side hustle? Well, keep watching because today we're talking about 5 common mistakes made by new affiliate marketers. And you've just signed up for this fantastic new affiliate program. They have great products, free referral websites, training, pre made ads for you to copy, and the best compensation plan on the internet. This is the best affiliate program on the internet. Put a few ads out there, and you're on your way to becoming the next internet millionaire, right? Before you break ground on that big mansion on the hill, here are a few mistakes many new affiliate marketers make that you'll want to avoid. 5. Believing the hype. And yes, I do mean the hype promoted by your own program. Those income projections that every program makes are just that, projections. You can make that much. Will you within your first few months of the program? Probably not. Look at this as a long-term investment in your future, not a way to get rich quick. Believe in yourself and your ability to make your dreams come true, but don't believe the hype. 4. Expecting instant results with little effort. Expect to work your business and expect to work it daily. If you open your own neighborhood store, you'd expect to have to go in to work daily, wouldn't you? You'd expect to have to advertise and get people to come to your store. Well, you just opened your own brand new internet store. What are you going to do to make it work? How are you going to get people to come look at your product? 3. Lack of a plan and specific goals. You've probably heard the saying, plan your work and work your plan. You need to have a specific plan and clear, measurable goals. Many people join affiliate programs with the vague goal of wanting to make a lot of money. How much money? How quickly do you want it? Try to be realistic here. Making $1 million in 1 month is not realistic. Okay, you have your clear, specific goal. Now, how are you going to get there? Again, think clear, specific steps here. 2. Advertising your affiliate link. Wait a minute, if you don't advertise your affiliate link, how are you supposed to get sales and downline members? Create your own website that has a link to your affiliate program. Every affiliate for your program gets the same website that you do. You have to be able to make yourself different from everyone else. The way you do that is with your own website. And number 1, quitting. You've been working your affiliate program for 2, 3, maybe even 4 months now with very little to show for it. You're getting discouraged and beginning to wonder if this is worth it after all. Pick yourself up, dust yourself off, and figure out what it is you need to be doing. Learn more. Bug your sponsor and your upline members until they help you out. Don't quit. No one ever achieves success by quitting. Neither will you. And thanks so much for watching. And please visit www.mormozine.com. And I'm giving away a free training movie that will teach you a great skill that you can apply to your business to get more leads and more sales. And it's free. You just give me your email address, and then a link to the movie is sent to you, and you can watch it for free. And it's just an investment of an hour and a half of your time. And real soon, I'm going to come out with an affiliate program specifically for the horror niche. And be sure and keep an eye out for that. And I'm pretty sure a lot of people are going to make money with it. So stay tuned. I'm just drinking some tea. And again, thanks so much for watching. And please comment, thumbs up, subscribe, ring the bell, share because sharing is caring. And thanks so much.